Imagine this for a moment. You're buying a home. You've gone through the whole process. You've identified the property. You've done your home inspection. You've had the purchase and sale agreement signed, title examination, appraisal, everything. You have your money saved and ready to go. You get an email from what appears to be the closing law firm. It says, "Our wiring instructions have changed. Please send your money to this account." You think maybe it's a little bit strange, but you trust it and you send it. And now your money's gone. That happens. Cybercrime is a multi-billion-dollar enterprise. And I'm here to tell you, as more people are working remotely, that enterprise is getting bigger and bigger. How does it happen, you ask? Well, just like the example I gave you, but let's rewind the tape a little bit. As that transaction's happening, somebody in the transaction's email account is compromised. Typically, it's an email address such as AOL, Yahoo, Hotmail, and even Gmail. Typically, these free accounts are much more susceptible to being compromised by a cyber criminal. They utilize a technique called phishing. Once they gain access through that email account, they can monitor what's happening. So oftentimes they'll see, ooh, this is a real estate closing in process. There's going to be a lot of money transferring hands. And they sit back and they wait. And just like the example we gave you, they wait until it's the perfect time to change the instructions to their bank account. This could happen to anyone. So what do you do? Well, if you were to ask my head of quality control, Megan, she would say, never send or receive wires. And I know that may seem a little excessive because it is convenient, but she'll also tell you that oftentimes it takes a few hours and sometimes an entire day to have a wire cleared through the Fed. So the easiest way to avoid this is to accept and deliver checks. And I might add, your banker misses you. Maybe head over there to deposit and get that lollipop. What else can you do? Verify, verify, verify. There's no title company or closing attorney in the world that would be upset with you verifying independently those wire instructions. Pick up the phone, call and verify, but don't utilize any phone numbers that were received via email because that's part of the spoof. So independently verify through the website or the yellow pages if you still have those, but call and verify that the instructions are what they say. And if you get a follow-up email, which most title companies and closing law firms will not do no matter what, because they know that this is the number one way to scam. But if you get one of those emails, follow up before you send that wire. Independently get the phone number and verify, did you send me a new email? More than likely, they're going to say no, but at the same token, this is your opportunity to verify that you're sending those wire funds to the exact account number of that law firm or title company. What else can you do? Work with trusted professionals. Here at Stiles Law, we only use encrypted email, dual authenticated cloud storage, state-of-the-art firewalls, and we adhere to strict wire confirmation controls. But most importantly, trust your gut. If it doesn't seem right or it seems fishy, then it probably is. You're always better to be safe than sorry. And like we said, when in doubt, ask for a check. Folks, I hope you appreciate this content. If you do, please share it with everyone and anyone. And be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel right here at Stiles Law. Thank you, and be well.